Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a sprint font in Roblox. First, let's go to the home page. We need to open the toolbox. Open it and type Shift Tyran here. I found this button from USPI Motto useful. Download it and add it to the script's starting character. Here's where you can adjust everything. This is where you set the speed. Let's set it to 100. Here you can also set the normal walking speed. You can add another button here. I've got a shift button set up. Let's start the game. Here's normal walking and the shift button. Now I'm running super fast. We can set it to twice the normal speed of 32. Now we'll run at a reasonable speed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like the channel. Have a great day everyone. Good luck to you all. See you later.